Thank you all that you are here. As you know, let me manage that. As you know, the toolkit is accessible via a knowledge exchange platform. So by entering in the platform, you can see the button of toolkit in menu. By clicking this button, immediately you transfer to the toolkit page. The first that you can see is the tools, the 8 tools that we find by our desk research and support the acceleration of food system transformation. You can narrow down your search using the filters that you can see here, country, categories that are referred also in our project, the challenges that were identified by task 2.1, task 2.2, and task 2.3, and the target audience that is referred to these tools. By clicking to the informative button, a pop-up will open and we'll find more details about these tools. We have two buttons. It is in this pop-up, the View Handbook and the Visit website. By clicking the View Handbook, a new file will open with more information about these tools, the purpose of activity, how the tool management, and why it's relevant to Vision for Food, and the official link of this tool. Okay, we can continue to the success cases and case studies. This repository serves as a central hub for success cases and case studies to support acceleration and food system transformation. You can use the filters below to narrow your search by country, by type innovation, and keywords. We'll have 20 case studies. You can find the name, the country, a short description, the success factor, the keywords, and type innovation. And by clicking to the PDF, you can see the total here. And you can download it by clicking in this button. Also, the guide that we have recorded now will be available by clicking this button, and a pop-up will open, and this guide will be available until the end of the project and after the end of the project. Thank you very much.